Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You use the select statement in SQL to choose specific records to view from a table or from related tables within a temporary table called a result set. This tutorial will start the examination of the select statement by looking at the select statement in its simplest form when it is used to select all of the records from a single table. The core SQL of the select statement is shown below. Note that the table name parameter is the name of the table from which you want to select all the records, and the field name parameter is the name of a field within the table. Keywords within braces are optional. So the core SQL is select and then optionally distinct, and then a listing of field names, such as field name 1, field name 2, etc., from table name. Alternately, it could also be issued as select asterisk, meaning all, or select all, actually spelled out as ALL in some RDBMSs, from table name. Now, the first example shown lists the names of the fields of data that you want to see within the result set, specified by name after writing the select statement. You can write a select statement in this manner to only show selected data fields from a table within the result set. The distinct keyword, if used, will only display unique record values within the field names that are specified. This is used when you do not want duplicate records to be returned within the result set. By default, all records will be returned within a result set unless the distinct keyword is used. In the second example, the asterisk character is used to specify that all of the fields within the table should appear within the result set. The second statement will produce a result set that is essentially a temporary copy of all of the records and fields within the table specified. Note that while the statement shown is the basis of the select statement, the following lessons within this chapter will show how the select statement is augmented with additional clauses and keywords to enhance its abilities. The select statement is one of the most powerful and potentially complex statements within the SQL language. It is arguably the most important statement within SQL. Let's take a minute and look at some of the variations that we've learned in this lesson in Access 2013. So here we have the base table upon which we are going to perform some select statements. Here we have the select from base table, in this case select first name and last name from base table. If we execute this query, you can see a result set that shows the first name and last name only from the base table, excluding the ID field. Next, we'll look at a select distinct example. So in this case, we have select distinct last name from base table. So in this example, we'll only see the unique last names. So note that Jones, which is repeated for two last name records within the table, only shows up once in this result set. And finally, we have the select all example. In this case, we're selecting everything from base table. Now, the following hyperlinks display the full potential uses of the select statement within MySQL 5.7, SQL Server 2012, and Access 2013. Note that the select statement, as shown within these web pages, is actually very complex. This tutorial will continue to explain these various clauses and keywords within the select statement in the upcoming lessons.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.